Alright, so I don't usually do tech videos, but I thought I'd start one here. This is a 2011 MacBook Pro that I picked up for a screaming deal at $180. They go online and refurbished for $600. This is the charger that came with it. As you can see, a little frayed there, but as you can see, also a little discolored for practical use. First thing we'll see upon opening here, I've already had it powered on, and I know the screen works, but you got a trackpad issue, so we're going to fix that. And then a little dirty, so we'll go ahead and get the whole clean cloth out for that. Next thing you see down here is, of course, just some unibody issues from missing screws from the original trackpad replacement when these came out. So, flip it over, get a better view here. So the idea behind this one is we're going to go ahead and try to fix the whole thing while not going over the budget of $400. So far, $180 into it. And this will be the first part of this video.